Who's doing the intro today?
You are. I did it last one. I'll stand here. No, you're definitely not going to fit now, are you?
Check it.
Oh yeah, you're in there.
There we go. And you're gonna fit. You can stand on the thing as well. Otherwise, you'll look very tiny.
Why don't you stand down there now?
Oh, look at it!
Happy days.
Then you can do an intro.
No, you're doing the intro.
Why me?
It's your show.
It's our show.
Okay, go on, you do it.
Hello, riders and nuts. Today in the vlog, we are at Mint Customs and we're working on Apex. As you can see, we have a lot of parts that we blagged. None of them are stolen. We have Michelin tires. We have Michelin stickers. We have parts from Suzuki UK, which are discs and fork slides. We have a lot of parts from GB Racing from the last episode. And we have a little bit of the Fox oil that was found in the house.
Yes.
That's about it?
The Fox oil.
Yeah.
Fork sliders, brake discs. So we've got to rip it down.
We have to rip the bike down and a lot to do. So we have to change the sliders in the existing forks.
Yes.
We have to change the tires and we
Yes.
have to put all the engine cases and
Front brake discs.
and we have to change front brake discs from Suzuki as well. So a lot to do today.
A lot.
And
to
it
do
will
today.
be one last thing left.
I'm sorry for interrupting you. This is for you. For both.
For us.
For both.
Oh.
What's he going now? Oh! Oh! Look at that!
Wow!
How did he sneak those?
It might end up as a merch eventually. Might.
That fits good. I like it.
How high?
However high you want to work on.
That's nice.
That's really low.
That's so cool.
Lock it off.
You were singing different song this morning.
Oh yeah, what was I singing this morning?
A Christmas song.
No, no I weren't. Shut up. Shut up.
Yes, you did.
Not mucking about.
Yes, you did.
Shut up. I actually despise Christmas.
Despise.
Might not be as a shock to some people, but I absolutely can't stand it. But Alison, on the other hand, bloody loves it. So it causes a little bit of a rift sometimes because...
We put everything on this side.
Yeah, on underneath Jonesy.
Okay.
Because obviously the Christmas decorations and... I didn't let her have a tree in the house last year.
Do you have decorations already?
No, because that'd just be wrong. But this year, I am letting her have some decorations because I have got a heart.
5 degrees outside and people riding choppers. Sounds good, Dad. Just like that. And you don't even strap it.
Nah.
Just flapjack on the exhaust.
Yep. So if
You
you've
can
got a
hold
problem
on
like
this.
that, you
Yeah,
could...
'cause- Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, no. Or I wouldn't have just clocked it.
Oh, that's so handy. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm going up. I look like I'm not going up.
All right, all right. All stroppy now, aren't you, top technician? Just give it a squish either side like that. It pushes the pads back a little bit in the caliper.
Oh, like
Just
this?
turn it.
Like this?
Yeah, and then it'll give you enough room to get it through the wheel. There you
Okay. I love that everything comes off so easy. Last time I was stripping the bike, that was a nightmare. Okay, I took this off, so
Yeah.
now we have to...
Yeah, we've
punch.
undone the lock nuts. Yeah, so I put that in a little bit, like that. Give it a whack. Comes out this side.
Okay.
And so take the weight of the wheel with one hand and then pull that with the other hand. Voila. Don't lose your spacer on the other side. Put that on the bench. That's it, it's one wheel out. Yeah, and if you put that in this side, then we know that's got to go in that side. Lovely jubbly.
Another fox.
Yes, so
the
what
bottom
I
here?
would do is I would leave these bottom ones done up. I'd undo that one, the handlebar and the top clamp. And then I'd come back round here, undo this bottom one, and then that would come out. Because if I undid both of those, and then by the time I've undone that one up the top there, it might all get a bit floppy.
Okay.
So I always leave that one done up.
Okay.
If you're happy where the handlebars are, then mark them. Like that, with 2 marks.
Okay.
You got 1 mark, you can go wrong. 2 marks, you can't. Scratch it a little bit. It's coming.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Rear brake caliper. That's it, let that dangle. Wheel out, spacer out of the disc side. That side, that's it. That spacer out that side. Wheel on the deck, so your sprocket can come out, your cush drive rubbers can come out.
I like these.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it, that's ready for a time machine now.
So guys, now when Simon's busy doing what Simon's doing, I was left alone to figure out how to use and how to put all the GB Racing motorcycle, world class motorcycle protection on. I've been told that's quite easy, and we will find out in a minute. But I love figuring stuff out. I think it comes with some kind of an instruction. Oh yeah, it comes with pictures and even tells you what bolts, bolt 1, 2, 3, 4, and what, or even how many Newton meters, how much or how many Newton meters?
How many?
How many, that was correct English. How many Newton meters you need, which is 10 Newton meters on each bolt. But we're not going to use the instruction. What we will do, we'll put the part on, and then we will mark the bolts that needs to come out.
You can use your torque wrench, can't you?
I left it at home.
What?
I left my torque wrench at home. Fortunate. And then I've been trusted with a turbo bar, the one that MotoGP uses. And by the way, this weekend I'm going to MotoGP to the finals in Valencia with TNT Sports, and I'll be filming. Let me know, guys, what you want to see. If you want to see Valentino, I can't promise that. And if you want to say anything to him, I'm already saying Simon says hi. Yeah?
Yeah, I'll text him.
Okay, text him. Text him that I'm coming.
Yes, I will.
Tell him to wait for me at the gates. Here we go, 4 bolts out. And I've already seen in the bag, it comes with a longer bolt to put the protection on, just like that. So if you're getting your crash protection from GB Racing, as easy as this. Even I can figure it out. This looks so lovely. Yeah. That's so satisfying. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very small.
I think that's my favorite tool.
What, torque wrench?
Yeah. I think it's my favorite tool because it's precise and mechanical.
Yes. Should get a digital one that beeps at you.
No, thank you. I like this.
Beep, beep. This looks good.
The other side's done. We also have a fin, which we're fitting after the back wheel is on. We also have eggs, which will need some adjustment in the fairing. So that's coming on a little bit later, not today. We have bobbins, are they bobbins? For the stand, which we're using at the moment, so I can't change this right now. And we have a projection for the levers, which we'll put once the levers are on the freshly renewed, beautiful trucks.
What?
It's a dog. It's a dog.
No, Ziggy.
Is it you making dog noises? Iggy's been in the wild and making dog noises. Now I'm gonna deassemble the fork and never used this. Oh, that's cool. How do I know that it's working? How do I know that it's working? That's a special moment.
Get on with it. That's it. It's out.
Okay. And I'm leaving that in. And I'll have to undo this bolt, which is inside here. And that would hold both parts together. Everything together. Yep. Did I say it okay?
Yes. Priceless lesson by Dimonte.
This one. Thank you.
Is your gun on undo? If you pop that back in just a little bit.
Does it have to click or
Stops the oil
just
coming
come
out.
on?
No, just
No
push on.
clicking,
That's
just
it.
like this?
That's it.
Yeah.
Is it on undo?
It was on undo with the other one, wasn't it?
Short, sharp spin. Make sure that's all the way in the hole.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold this bit.
This bit?
Yeah. Go on in.
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
And then it's a bolt with a copper washer on. Here we go. A little copper washer.
What does that do?
The copper washer
No. Yeah.
or the bolt.
The bolt.
The bolt holds all the fork together.
It does.
And now, will it spill now? Yeah.
Yeah. Lift it all the way up. Upright. They'll split in half now. Just pull. Pull. That shows you three main sections of your fork leg anyway.
And it's very, very exciting and very interesting. And I asked Simon, would he and does he service his forks and how often? Is it the right way?
Yeah, yeah.
It's not moving. And Simon said, top tip, service your forks every year.
Every year. If you're racing or track daying, then I'd do them every second or third track day.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
But road, yeah. So
And this is exactly what I am doing now, but without changing any parts. Basically, you take it apart.
Drain the oil out of it,
Yeah,
put new oil
and
in
put
it.
in new oil. And that's it.
What's that?
That is a adjuster
For the...
for the oil. How much oil comes in the leg, but I forgot the name.
Is it
Compression.
rebound or compression?
Compression.
Compression.
Yeah.
And this is the
This
needle.
is compression. Rebound on these forks is here, also as a preload.
Yes. Yeah, very good.
See, I'm
But
learning.
this little needle is a tapered needle,
Yeah.
and that's what sits in the bottom of that leg there.
And then you twist it a little bit.
Yeah. So that regulates the amount of oil flow
Yep.
down through it.
Yep.
That's because it's a compression. And then the rebound needle regulates the amount of oil flowing back through the cartridge as part of the rebound
Yeah.
stroke. Yes.
Okay. Okay, this one goes
In the
away.
bin. In the bin.
No, you can't throw it away.
I can throw it away.
Oh, it spills oil everywhere.
That's why I put that there.
You had to stay on the thing. Look, it made a mess. Here we go, that's 320.
This is interesting.
Everything covered in oil.
Lucky we're getting in the fork leg.
Everything goes around, comes around.
Stops it rusting though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's the main thing.
The
Stops it from
plastic
rusting.
handles.
Do you remember what this section is called?
Lubricated. This is a cartridge.
Cartridge, yes. And it's running 9 weight Newton meter springs.
Okay.
Odin springs.
Oil springs.
These are Odin springs, yeah.
Are they?
Spring kits are readily available for stock cartridges. Also, Odins do a complete cartridge replacement, which we can't afford just yet.
So that goes in.
I'm going to put a little bit of grease on that. Push that back. That puts that back to 0. Breathed in some grease.
I can't get it in.
It'll go.
Will it?
Yeah.
Why it's not going in? I'm going right direction. Oh yeah. No. Can you check it? So did you check that one before?
Yeah, no, they're 2 different sizes, aren't they?
Oh, okay. That one is not getting in. Do we have any more of those?
No, this
other
is the one that
pots?
we fucking wanted. Why are you
It's not
putting it
getting
back in the wrong leg?
No, the other leg is here.
That's the shit leg.
It's the other shit leg. Why did you put the other shit leg on my bench?
The new leg's still in the packet.
How do I supposed to know?
Because that looks shit and it's crashed. Here's the new leg.
I thought it's a little bit damp, but then I blamed Adam. I thought.
It's already got one in it.
Yeah.
We've got a spare one.
Can you tell me how this one looks better than this one? Look.
Well, that looks new and this one doesn't.
Almost.
Almost.
Just a little
look
bit.
new. Just
You put this next to my bench, and I presume this is the part we will be using.
Oh, right. I said I was
You
using.
said, for me, said throw it away.
I said I was
And I
using that
thought
as a
you
dumping
threw
ground.
this away. You deliberately mixing me up so people think that I'm dumb.
Yeah, this
Okay,
will get edited. This will get edited, and I'll look the baddie again. He's having a go at me, but this will get edited. Now I know it's going to get edited because I said this will get edited.
It's not gonna get edited. Okay, what we're putting first? This.
Completely lost yourself now, haven't you? Have you?
No,
You
I
need to
haven't.
do that adjuster up.
All the way up.
Yeah.
I just looped your shoes.
Yes. Well, we've got a spare compression adjuster. If anyone wants to buy one of these, they're seriously expensive. Second hand will probably cost you about £80, but I can do you this one at a discount, £79.
And free postage in UK.
Free postage worldwide.
Okay? Just like a good nip, yeah?
Yep.
Did he left?
Random visit.
Random visit of the cameraman,
Yep.
and he's gone.
Randomly.
Oh yeah. Loop.
Oh dear. That's one. All right. Nice and gently.
Yeah.
There she goes. Happy days.
That's it.
Yeah.
And now the cartridge.
Cartridge, yep. That's it, because the bottom comes down to meet the top, doesn't it? So,
You have to press.
no, that
No,
should be it.
just like this.
Yep.
Oh yeah, and it comes there. And now I am doing that bottom bolt
Yes.
to make sure it's all together before
Sit.
I put any oil in it. Yeah.
Oh, yes. You just give it, start it on the cartridge a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
To make sure it starts. That's good, I can see it started. It moved.
But I can do all the way until...
No, because you need a little bit of inertia to give it a brr.
Oh, okay. A brr.
Yeah, a very swift
Do
brr.
you trust me?
Very, yeah, but very gently, and hold this.
Okay, and this button.
That's it. That's it.
Scary.
Don't lick it. Just a quick zip. Make sure it's all the way in.
Yeah.
That's it, go on. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Just a quick zip.
That's it. That's your leg together now. Happy days. That's just residue. Don't worry about that. So now we want to put our oil in.
Okay.
And then we'll
Can you
bleed it
take the
up.
camera and film me putting the oil in, because otherwise it won't be seen. It's an important moment. Do not spill like somebody in the demonstration leg
Okay.
before that. Do I have to lift it or just like that?
We'll just carefully pour it down the side. There is an air gap measurement on these forks, but I know what the level is in these legs as far as oil goes, and it is a bone dry leg, so bore you with an air gap measurement, but I won't. That'll do you. Happy days. Just a quick zip.
Just a quick zip.
Yep,
Have to
real
make
quick
sure
zip.
Another one?
Yep, that's it.
And now I have to do the
Yeah,
thing.
so I would put that on top of the leg, because it oh, what's happened to the camera? It's filming me. Fix it. What have I done?
Press the button.
What does that do? Fuck's sake. Right, you'll feel it bleed up. Go on.
It's hard.
Should have gone by now.
Do you want to check?
Yeah, I'll check.
Okay, check it.
You hold this.
Okay, I'll hold this. At least I got warm.
Yeah, there she blows. Happy days.
That's it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good job.
But this is how you do your forks. This was very exciting day.
Right.
This was a very exciting day.
What?
This was a very exciting day.